to preface, I apologize for the screaming bird in the background. That, and I didn't realize that it was really apparent that it's screaming. It, uh, yeah, so sorry about that. But the colors that you had showed off in your demonstration, I ended up changing those for my colors in my XML file as well. So this primary color should be the green, this primary dark should be black, and then the color accent should be silver, like how you described in the document. So I have that changed up for mine as well. Alright, so this is my demonstration for the Pizza Party app, the newly updated one for assignment 2. So I am going to go ahead and run the application on the emulator. And I'm actually just gonna back out real quick to show off the modified launcher icon. You can see that the calculator graphic is on the Pizza Party app with as the launcher icon. So we're gonna go back to it. The button for the calculations has been replaced with the same one for the launcher icon here. And I think this froze. I might have to restart it. Okay, all right. So yeah, the graphic is changed for the floating action button, the calculate button, and the app still works the same before I made these modifications. So an example that I saw in the textbook was that when you have 11 people with a medium hunger level, you should have about total 5 pizzas to have, and it still works the same way. Before I did any of these updates to the UI. Ravenous gets 6 pizzas, Light gives only 3. Another example, maybe 15. 15 people offers 4 pizzas for light hunger levels, 6 pizzas for medium hunger levels, and then 8 pizzas for ravenous hunger levels. So the app still functions the same. The banner image of the B building here is here where it ought to be. The floating action buttons DP the proper offsets. So I'll demonstrate that here. It's kind of faint, but you can see that it has 24 dp for those margins. Let me go over to the view here, the text view, and here it is. And then you can see that the margins are for the right and bottom are 24 dp for both. Going back to the app, you can see that the created by attribute, or the created by section is here, my name and the date. And now for the verbose log message, I have that placed in my main activity, I believe. Yeah, it's in my main activity, and I am going to show that off in logcat. This is probably from the same emulator. So once I hit calculate, you can see that the verbose message is there, giving me the total number of pizzas for every calculation. I'm going to change it real quick just to give undoubtable proof that it works. Yep. 5, 3, 6. So that works. And just to verify that I'm using a tag static variable, public static string tag, pizza party, and then I'm using tag in the verbose log method here. And then one improvement I would make to this interface is this one issue that like I'm having. I don't know why it does this, but if I end up inputting the number of people, it automatically takes me to somewhere that like apparently requires me to put an input, but it sort of kind of leaves me stuck. So one way to get around this is just for me to click back on the text field here and to hit the check mark, and then it takes me out for me to select the hunger levels and then to do the calculation. So if I were to change anything, I'd change that one bug that's going on with that. And yeah, that's the end of my demonstration. Thank you for watching and have a great day.